Welcome to the enchanted, seldom visited, an overlander's wonderland that is Anza Borrego. That's in California in case you didn't know. And of course, because it's California, or crazy California as I like to call it, I did not come here alone. Before we die, it's too hot.
It is pretty hot.
It's too hot for this. I can't believe people come here in the summer. That's right, I came here with my best friend, Overland first mate, and wife, Amanda. Also in tow are the usual suspects, our three musketeers, Gracie, Beanie, and Rio. Packed to the gills and carrying what some might argue is the kitchen sink, we finally made it to camp before dark. After setting in with street tacos and margaritas, we watched the sun sink over the California desert, blissfully unaware of what nature had in store for us after dark. It goes without saying, anytime you're camping, you should always pick up your trash. This is one of those terribly windy nights where the wind was blowing so hard that it blew the trash off the roof of the SUV multiple times. Finally, we gave in, got up, and decided to set the trash neatly stacked on the ground. Not seeing any wildlife all day, we assumed the trash would be left alone for us to pick up in the morning. Little did we know, our stacked pile would distract some very uninvited guests to our camp. If you were wondering, our first visitor was a kangaroo rat. It gets its name from the way it moves around, since it hops like a kangaroo. We discovered they can leap up to 6 feet in one jump. Our other camp visitors were San Joaquin kit foxes. The kit fox is mostly found in the sandy washes of Anza Borrego. Kit fox reported sightings have fallen drastically in the last few years. It is believed there may only be 7,500 left in the wild. After an eventful night at camp, followed by a very restful sleep, we hit the road to explore some trails. One of our favorite trails from this trip was a canyon wash called Tectonic Gorge. The trail is located just outside the city that never was, near the Salton Sea. Tectonic Gorge took us roughly 2 hours to drive through and would be friendly to 4x4s of all skill levels. Surprisingly, California didn't disappoint. I think I speak for both of us when I say that this part of the state gave the rest of it a run for its money. Amanda and I will definitely be back. From the mountains to the Salton Sea, this hidden gem was an overlander's paradise. With everything from the majestic views, natural wonders, and unexpected campsite visitors, we were reminded why we hit the road in the first place. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you can see more of our wildlife encounters.